Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're at the downtown Lakefront Retreat House doing a quick video tutorial on the television that's downstairs in the little sitting area that's here. So fairly straightforward, very easy system to use. We basically have the television, cable one, and the DVD player. Once you power on the television, you can go through the different source buttons at the top right hand side. So you just need to keep pushing the source button to actually transition through. AV is what the DVD player is set to. And so once that's there, you've got, it says no disc, but you can put a DVD player in there, or DVD. It's not a Blu-ray player. And then HDMI 2, as well as TV, happens to be set for cable 1. So if you have any further questions and need any assistance, you can reach out to us. The landline phone number in the office, it's 208-634-0030. Cheers and enjoy yourselves.